Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've got some stuff for the 300. You can see I'm in the 300 now. I just finished up this video. They're pretty freaking cool. So y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. Also, I will leave a link down below in the description if y'all want to check these out. I know they offer them for lots of different vehicles. I talked to them about some for the 6.0. Unfortunately, they don't fit. So I need to get with them about that. But the ones in the 300 fit really, really nice. They look killer. But anyway, let's get into the house. We'll get these unboxed. I've already unboxed them. I've already installed them. They look sick. So anyway, let's go back to the future, or however that works. We'll get these unboxed. We'll take a look at them and we'll get them installed. Alright, so we made it back. I had to go do some stuff. Had a phone call with the company. More on that later. But let's go ahead. This is for the other one. But let's go ahead, crack this box open, and let's see what we got. Okay, so these didn't lay out real well because of the way they're formed and all that kind of thing. But I imagine they'll fit really good in the 300. So these are for the 300. From our friends over at WITA. I think these are going to look pretty freaking good. So did the same thing to match the 6.0. I think that'll look really, really good. I kind of wanted to match the seats, but they didn't really have a stitching that matched the seats. So we went with this kind of gold beige color. Why, you might ask? Well, you figure that out later if I ever do it. Because I think I have an idea, and these will match the idea. So anyway, like on the 6.0, we're going to lay these out on the front porch and let the wrinkles and stuff come out of them from being folded up in the box. I don't know how they get these in those boxes because it is tight. But anyway, like I said, we're gonna lay these out on the front porch, let all the wrinkles and stuff come out of them, and then we'll go ahead and start getting these guys installed. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started removing these. Don't mind the birds, they've been at it for 10 minutes or so. But like I said, we're going to go ahead and get these out of here. Probably, there we go. Not the easiest thing to do one-handed because these are cleated. But anyway, get these out. And I don't think there's any here in the rear. No. Just some window cleaner, and we'll go ahead and see if we can start fitting the new ones. All right, so the birds finally settled down, the wind picked up, but we pulled the car down here to the shop, gonna vacuum it out, and come up here, grab the rear, because we are gonna start on the rear since the seats are all the way forward, and that'll make it a little bit easier that way. Also, guys, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I will leave a link down below in the description if y'all want to check these out for yourselves. Like I said, they offer them for lots of vehicles. So, again, there will be a link down below in the description. Big thank you to WITA for working with us on the 300. But anyway, I also wanted to mention something else, and I don't remember. It seems to happen a lot nowadays. But anyway, like I was saying, I mean, these things look amazing. Oh, also, they claim that these are like scratch proof. They're supposed to be weatherproof, supposed to be easy to clean, you know, all this stuff. We're gonna see on that because, sorry, had to move the camera because it's getting a little windy. But anyway, we're gonna see about all of that. So y'all know, I mean, this car doesn't park in the garage all the time. I mean, it can over there, but it doesn't all the time. So, and I do drive this thing. This is daily. So, we're gonna see about all of that, about the easy to clean, scratch proof, weatherproof, you know, all this other stuff. We're definitely going to see about that, and I will keep y'all updated. So if y'all haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned for that, because like I said, I don't know, I've never run these before. I'm actually really surprised at how well they fit. They look amazing. But like I said, I'll keep y'all updated on all of that. We'll see how they hold up. Because again, this is the daily driver car. Now I am going to try to keep them clean, because they look really good. But anyway, let's get back to the video and continue on. All right, so we got them all installed. Now, I will say one thing. I really wish these would come a little further back. So I drive my seat all the way back. And it would also be nice to have a little piece come right down through here, like the rears do. The rear has one, but it stops like right there. So it would be nice if this was the same way and it come back. But anyway, fit was real nice. Like I said, could come a little further back on the rear, on the front ones. But another thing is, you can see it from over here, is it could come up a little bit higher right there. But all in all, I mean, they fit really nice, and I like it. Like I said, I just wish they had something right here and then back there. You can't really see it here because the seat's not all the way back, but on my seat over there, you can see it. So there's that. And then in the rear is a one-piece deal on this. So that looks real nice. Got it tucked up under the console, tucked up under the back seat. The seat did latch just fine. The only thing, it could come a little further over here, but I mean, all in all, it's really, really nice. Runs up under the seat a good ways. So super, super nice. Now, I did get some of these for the 6.0 as well, but they don't fit. So I'm gonna hit them up about that, see what we can figure out. And then these that we got, I'm gonna see if they will fit in the blue truck. So we're gonna take it down here, vacuum it out, and see if they fit in it. But if they do, that'll be a different video. But like I said, they do fit good. One thing I do want to see, I'm gonna send them a message and ask them, is if they have any for the rear. So we did vacuum the rear out as well in the trunk. It looks real nice. We've never done that with this car since I've owned it, but oh, it looks so good. And we put this piece back on as well, so looks good back here. But I want to see if they make them to go back here, because I think that would be sick if they did. But anyway, that is that. So I love these. I love the way they look. Let me hop in the car. That way, hopefully, it ain't too windy. But man, these things are awesome. I like it. Over here, it is against the pedal a little bit, but I mean, you can drive just fine. And yes, I took my shoes off to get in here because I don't want to get them dirty yet. But you can see right here what I was talking about. Could come up a little bit more. They have these little, I don't know what they're called, little egg-shaped looking deals that do run up under, like right here, runs up under the console, keeps it nice and tucked. Yeah, there we go. So like that, and then that goes under, keeps it nice and tucked. There could be another one right here that would make it a little better, but all in all, very, very nice. And I like how they have a little pad for your foot, just like the OEM stuff does. So I like it. It actually matches the carpet pretty well in this car, as you can see. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna hit them up, see if they got something for the rear. I'm also gonna get with them and see if maybe they sent the wrong one for that truck. I know when I had talked to them originally, we had talked about this car, the blue truck, the 6.0, and the white truck. So maybe they got them mixed up when they told me what they was going to send and whatnot. But I'll get with them and see what they say. But anyway, guys, I think that is going to be a wrap for this one. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.